What's up, y'all? It's your boy J Stacks coming at you live from another episode of Unlimited Money Hacks. Ticker symbol today is GYST. Telling y'all, man, this stock of today, Greystone Company Incorporated, it definitely ran up today. I tweeted about this thing at about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, and I also shared a post about it on Facebook. So if you follow me on either one of those platforms, then of course you already know about it, and hopefully you had a chance to make some of this money that I made today. Telling you, man, you could definitely make some money by following this channel because every day I am working my tail off to bring you guys new runners, new stocks that I think is going to make huge improvements. And, you know, I'm up late, I'm up early, I'm doing my best. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this stuff work. I'm trying to bring you the best free information that I can possibly bring you on a day in, day out basis. So let's get into this GYST, man. This stock started off this morning. It caught my attention around 1 cent. It was at 1 cent, creeping up on 2 cent. I mean, it was, 191, 192 when I started paying attention. And when it got about, I'll show you, when it got about right here is, in fact, it was here caught my attention and I was waiting, how my strategy works. I have to have a pullback in order for me to buy in. Those of you who don't know my strategy, let me just give you a quick, brief rundown. If I see a stock I like, I do all my due diligence, I decide I'm going to buy it, I won't buy it here. Why not? They say, come on, J Stacks, tell us. Because why buy it here when I know it's going to have a slight pullback? If it doesn't, let's say it ran all the way up to here, I'm still going to wait for a pullback. I'm not going to chase it because that's the fear of missing out. And what your boy don't have is fear of missing out because there's always going to be something else on the channel to talk about. So let me tell you, GYST decided to have a pullback all the way down to here. Where I started paying attention at, down here. So my idea was if it broke through this line, I was not going to buy it. If it bounced off this line, then I was going to buy. And what did it do? It bounced off that number and it came all the way up to 251 where I got in. I bought 55,000 shares at 251, costing me a grand total of $1,380. I dropped that $1,380, which is like leaving me with $20 of my stimulus check. No worries because I ran it all the way up and sold 55,000 shares at 911 at 0911. So a little bit over 9 cent, y'all. I took something from 2.5 cents and rolled it all the way up to 9 cent. Imagine taking every 2 pennies you got and turn it into 9 pennies. Every $2 into $9, every 200 into 900, every 2,000 into 9,000. You get it, you get it, you get it. So I turned $1,380 into $5,010 in a few hours. Now, while you at work, you're busy talking to your boss, leaning ain't cleaning, whatever you doing at work, I ain't judging, I ain't judging. Everybody got to do something. I was sitting on my couch watching the screen go parabolical. What more can I say? You know what I'm saying? We all want to just have a little bit of financial freedom. And if you follow this channel and you pay attention to my posts on all of the other platforms, you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, man, J Stacks, the Unlimited Money Hack, you know how to find me. You won't miss these opportunities when I bring them to you. So like I said, I tweeted and posted about this one early this morning, as well as I do, a lot of the other ticker symbols that I follow when they do 100% run-ups, 90% run-ups, 200% run-ups. Some of them even do 1,000% run-up. Like last week, 10 days ago, I told everybody about AURI. AURI ran up over 1,000% in one day. And yes, you can go back and check. I did tweet about this. I did post about it because I actually do my due diligence and I spend my time wisely studying these stocks. That's what I do all day, all night. I'm not out in the streets. I'm not out in the clubs. I don't even have time to race my motorcycle anymore because I'm studying stocks all day, every day. This is my life now. This is what I love to do. I mean, this is like my new video game. I'm on it all day, every day, and that's what it takes if you want to figure out about these ticker symbols before everybody else does. You want the opportunity to get in down here. And if you're not going to stay up late and get up early and do the work that I do, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel, man. Press that little bell and Make sure you get all the notifications, because as soon as I see these runners, I'm tweeting about them. I'm posting about them. I'm making a short, maybe 5 to 10 second video. I'm going to post and let everybody know this is the one for today. Now, I don't know if you're going to have $14 to put on it or 1400 to put on it, but whatever it is, that's your decision. That's on you. You make the decision. If you just want to watch it, sometimes you may see a stock and say, I don't have any money to put on it today. I'm just going to watch it. That's 100% okay with me. Just watch the stock, keep track of it, pay attention, because what you'll do is you'll become familiar with the way that the stock operates. And the next time it repeats that, you'll see it. And you may catch it before I catch it. And you'll have the chance to come to me and say, hey, J Stacks, look, I seen GYST today. And guess what it did? Go peep it out. And I'll go peep it out and I'll share it with the rest of the community, because that's what we do, man. We share this information with the entire community so that we can spread the wealth. That's what it's about, man. If you're not going to invest in yourself, what will you take the time to invest in? I don't know. I'm all about investing in self. That's what it's all about, man. And you know what I'm saying? Look at this. You take a simple $1,300 today. Most people make that in a week. Some people 2 weeks, whatever. You drop that on a stock, and in a few hours, it turns into $5,000. Some people don't make that in a whole month. You know what I'm saying? That's how you flip a stimulus. I don't know what all these other scams are, and people trying to scam you out your money for all these courses and classes, and they want to teach you this and pay for this subscription for this, and you got to pay for this. Nah, man, J Stacks and the Unlimited Money Hack ain't with all that. What I'm telling you is subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell notification button. That's all you got to do, man. If you got a Twitter, follow me on Twitter. If you have a Facebook, follow me on Facebook. You know what I'm saying? Because these right here are free tips to make you rich. That's all I'm trying to do, man. Turn pennies into racks. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's all life is about, man. Laying back, enjoying time with your family, being able to have the freedom to go and do things. I'm about to, kick off my shoes, chill out, watch some TV, see what's going on for tomorrow, check out the news, see what stocks are going to jump off for tomorrow, play some basketball in the yard with my kids, maybe book a flight to Cancun for this weekend since the pandemic is kind of coming to an end. You can have these freedoms as well if you just, you know, subscribe to the channel, pay attention to these tickers, watch these stocks, because I'm doing all the hard work for you. You don't have to do it. All you got to do is watch. This is too easy. You know what I'm saying? Stop wasting money on like Jordans and stuff like that. I ain't saying that it's bad to have a pair of Jordans, if you like to hoop and stuff, but bruh, drop that. Look, the same money you drop on a pair of Jordans, had you dropped it on this stock today, you could buy 5 pairs of Jordans right now, or 4 pair of Jordans right now. It's that easy. Just subscribe to the channel and share this with somebody. That's another way you can help the community, by sharing. Bruh, sharing this information right here, just think about it. There's somebody who just got their stimulus check, and it's going to be gone in a week. It's going to be gone in a month. It's going to be gone, and they're not going to have that $1,400 sitting in their account no more. What are they going to be doing? They might need to borrow money from you. They might need to, take out a payday loan. You don't know what it is. But if you tell them, look, bro, don't waste your $1,400. Invest your $1,400. They're gonna probably panic and be like, no, man, I don't want to spend all my 1,400 in one place at one time. But that's when you explain to them, you're not spending your money, you're investing your money. You're putting it somewhere so that it can grow. And you can turn your $1,400 into multiple $1,400. And then you can have something to, go and take a vacation with this summer. You can have some money to splurge on your kids for Christmas this year, instead of, having everybody pick one item off a list. You can actually buy everything that they want this year. You know what I'm saying? That's what this channel's about. Giving you the financial freedom that you desire and you really, truly deserve. Because, man, working a 9 to 5 for a job that really will replace you in a week if you died is not what it's about, man. I'm telling you. You gotta plant these seeds and watch these trees grow. That's what it's about, man. Like my dude Mike Max says on the Money Tree. He always makes episodes and he talk about these ticker symbols as well. And we always talk about how if you don't plant seeds, you don't grow trees. They got somebody right now sitting in the shade of a tree that was seed that was planted years ago. I'm telling you, man. You can't have shade if you don't plant seeds. I'm going to leave y'all on that. Thank you.